Okay, 2019 Freightliner Cascadia has 497,832 miles on the truck. The truck runs great. There's no check engine lights. There's no blow-by. It was really well maintained. Inside's clean. I pulled one of the panels off just to show you. You know, usually you can tell. Take a panel off and see all the dust and dirt and stuff inside. You don't have that in this truck. It looks really clean. So, yeah, nice clean truck. All the cabinets look good. It does have a microwave. It has a TV. Has a fridge in it, so it's all set up. Looks like it's got a cell phone booster or something right there. Radio. I don't know. It's got a nice antenna. But it is automatic, so I'll just shift it to drive right here. It steers really tight. Reverse works. Everything's quiet in here. Heater works. It's ready to go. I mean, the truck doesn't. Everything I can see and what they've told me, you can jump in this truck and start hauling. So silt level, everything is good in the DPF system. So. Shifts